Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market right now. Well, yesterday when we have talked on the euro currency, we have said that probably markets will open with significant gaps, and what we have said yesterday on euro currency we could repeat today again. So that the gold will be probably not the exclusion. So probably we also will see on the gold market the gap. But if on the euro currency, we probably will see it to the downside. On the gold market, we probably will see it to the upside. So currently, I do not want to speak a lot about the various events and this real strategy, especially on the possible geopolitical background of this event. So it's really we will need not 1 or 2 hours for speaking to discuss it. Many aspects and many moments of this event that has happened. But what I would like to say is that I think that it will not be some kind of the ordinary terrorist attack. By the ordinary, I mean the event that will not trigger any long-term geopolitical consequences. So if you remember the tragedy in underground in London, just a couple of years ago, so this was a really terrible tragedy, but the market reaction was a bit limited. So yes, it was strong, but it was very short term, because in fact nothing has followed after this terrorist attack has happened. But somehow I'm strongly sure that this event will be another kind of geopolitical event that probably will trigger some really long-term consequences. Personally, I think that we will see the new spiral of the escalation on the Middle East. It's really some consequences will follow. Second, we will get in general growing geopolitical tensions in the globe. That's why I think that reaction on the gold market initially could be really strong, but I think that it really could trigger the real reversal on the gold market, because we already talked every time when we post the weekly research, every time and in every research we tell that currently, geopolicy comes on the first stage, especially in relation of the gold market, that the gold is the protection, safe haven from any turmoils in the world. So always the demand on the gold market increases when turmoil comes. I mean the global problems. So, and I think that currently this will be approximately the same situation. That's why, although we have prepared and post weekly research, monthly research on the gold market, but it seems that they slightly right now reflects the real markets, the real pictures that we will get on Monday. So I think that we could get really big, drastic changes on the pictures and the technical analysis, and hardly we will use the analysis that we prepared today, and just approximately we could say something. So let's look at markets right now. Is there some really soft approximation of what we will really could get? Also, guys, as market is entering in some really in the turbulence in the geopolicy. Right now, I think that we should keep an eye mostly on the tactical setups and do not try to get the long-term direction. Let's work with the short-term setups and see what really will happen. that stands in relation particular on Monday action. So what we will get? First of all, guys, I would like to return back to the discussion of this wash and rinse that we have discussed on Thursday. Recall our comments on this wash and rinse. We said, well, it's not really common, not really normal action. So market has broken through this area and returned back up. And this could trigger some upward retracement. Because this wash and rinse, maybe this was some prophecy from the technical point of view, I do not know. But the fact that this is the short-term bullish pattern. So usually wash and rinses trigger at least the minor retracement, some retracement, but sometimes they could become the reversal pattern that could be the starting point of something larger, something bigger. And from that point of view, this wash and rinse could really get some special meaning for us. So this is potentially bullish pattern, and it could trigger the upward retracement. Taking into consideration the events that has happened in Paris, the most probable pattern that we could get on the gold market is in Brent body sell. So I will not be really surprised if market will appear something in this area on Monday, and this could become really the opportunity for Brent body sell pattern. I don't want to say that market definitely will stop here. Maybe it will continue move slightly higher, or even Brent body could reach the 6-minute resistance. That's also possible. But existing the daily oversold here, well, I think that could be probably on the 3.8 fib level or 50% fib level. It's most probable levels for Brent body. After the Brent body will work out, we will see what will happen. But right now, let's focus on the possible Brent body, and the chances that it will appear are real significant on Monday. So let's see what will happen. On the hourly chart, guys, recall the pattern that we have discussed. It really hasn't been formed yet. It's really very a bit choppy action. But if market will skyrocket on Monday, will show some upward breakout or something of that sort, or especially if it will form some kind of a reversals into the upside, that will be the clear sign that we probably will get the Brent body sell, and we could get some deeper upward action. In the opposite direction, guys, we probably could get the real confirmation of the bearish trend continuation only if market will take out this low. So if market will drop lower and hold below these lows of the wash and rinse, that could be the clear sign the bearish trend is continuing. That's why it will be important to see what will happen after the Brent body. So if market will, for example, reach this area, complete the Brent body, and then drop lower, then we could come to the conclusion that the bearish trend will be reestablished. But if market, for example, will work out the Brent body with this retracement, 600 retracement, but then turn to the upside, that will be quite another tune. That's why, guys, as you can see, the making bets or gambling on a possible direction in the long-term perspective right now is not really a good idea. So that being said, let's keep watching what will happen in the short-term perspective, whether we will get the Brent body sell or not. And after that, we will think what to do next.